Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join Slack communities. All right, let's begin. To join a Slack community, the first thing you'll need is an invitation. This usually comes as an email from Slack or the specific community. Make sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see it, look in your spam or promotions folder. Once you locate the invitation email, click the Join Slack button inside. You'll then be redirected to Slack's sign-up page. Here, you'll need to create your account by entering your name, choosing a password, and confirming your email if required. Select a username that represents you well, since it will be visible to other members in the community. After completing the setup, you'll be logged into the workspace of the Slack community. Depending on the settings chosen by the administrators, you may have immediate access to channels or be guided to a welcome channel for new members. So that's basically how you can join Slack communities. That's it for this video. Thanks.